Aesop's Fable EP88, The Bird Who Calculated the Growth of Fruit. Scene 1, The Bird's Garden Discovery. In a bright and sunny forest, there lived a clever bird named Bella. Bella loved to fly around and explore, but what she loved most was her little garden filled with fruit trees. Every year, Bella would watch the trees grow, waiting for the delicious fruits to ripen. One day, as she fluttered around the garden, Bella wondered, how long will it take for the fruits to fully ripen? If I could calculate the growth of the fruits, I would know exactly when to pick them. Bella decided that this year, she would carefully track the growth of the fruits on her trees. She wanted to make sure she harvested them at the perfect time, not too early and not too late. Scene 2, Tracking the Growth of the Fruit. Bella began her project by choosing a few fruits on each tree to monitor. She measured their size every week, noting down how much they grew. For the first week, the apples on her apple tree grew by 2 centimeters, the oranges by 1 centimeter, and the pears by 1.5 centimeters. Bella continued measuring the fruits every week. Week 1, apples grew by 2 centimeters, oranges by 1 centimeter, pears by 1.5 centimeters. Week 2, apples grew by 3 centimeters, oranges by 1.5 centimeters, pears by 2 centimeters. Week 3, apples grew by 2.5 centimeters, oranges by 2 centimeters, pears by 2.5 centimeters. Bella realized that each fruit was growing at a different rate. She needed to calculate the total growth over several weeks to predict when they would be ripe. Scene 3, Calculating the Growth Rate. Bella knew she had to add up the growth of each fruit over the 3 weeks to find the total growth. Apples, 2 centimeters, week 1, plus 3 centimeters, week 2, plus 2.5 centimeters, week 3, equals 7.5 centimeters. Oranges, 1 centimeter, week 1, plus 1.5 centimeters, week 2, plus 2 centimeters, week 3, equals 4.5 centimeters. Pears, 1.5 centimeters, week 1, plus 2 centimeters, week 2, plus 2.5 centimeters, week 3, equals 6 centimeters. Bella then calculated the average growth rate per week for each fruit. Apples, 7.5 centimeters divided by 3 weeks equals 2.5 centimeters per week. Oranges, 4.5 centimeters divided by 3 weeks equals 1.5 centimeters per week. Pears, 6 centimeters divided by 3 weeks equals 2 centimeters per week. With these averages, Bella could predict how much more the fruits would grow over the next few weeks. She estimated that if the apples continued to grow at 2.5 centimeters per week, they would reach their ideal size in another 2 weeks. The oranges and pears would need a bit longer. Scene 4, Harvesting at the Perfect Time. With her calculations complete, Bella patiently waited and continued to monitor the fruits. As predicted, after 2 more weeks, the apples had grown to their perfect size. Bella happily picked them, knowing they were at their peak ripeness. She decided to wait another week for the oranges and pears to reach their ideal size, which they did exactly as she had calculated. Bella's careful tracking and calculations paid off. She had a bountiful harvest of perfectly ripe fruits. Her friends in the forest were amazed at how Bella knew exactly when to pick her fruits. "How did you know when the fruits would be ready?" asked her friend, Ollie the owl. "I calculated the growth rate," Bella explained. "By measuring how much the fruits grew each week, I could predict when they would be fully grown and ready to pick." Ollie and the other animals were impressed with Bella's mathematical skills. They realized that by tracking and calculating growth, they could improve their own harvests too. Moral of the story: calculating and tracking growth helps us understand and predict when things will be ready. By using math to monitor progress, we can make better decisions and achieve the best results.